Now, everyone assumed India's first production-ready AI chip would come from Bengaluru, but Kerala-based Netra Semi has launched the A2000, one of the first AI and ML chips designed in India. The company is backed by Zoho. The chip is production-ready. Customer trials have already started. Kotarakara, it turns out, did not wait for permission. Zoho-Backed Netra Semi has officially unveiled its AI chip called the A2000. And this is important because until now, India mostly consumed AI infrastructure built somewhere else. NVIDIA built the GPUs, TSMC manufactured the chips, American and Chinese companies controlled the stack. But India has been trying to enter this space for years. And Netra Semi, well, may have just become one of the first startups which is actually moving from ambition to actual silicon. The company says the A2000 chip is designed specifically for edge AI workloads, essentially means AI processing directly on devices. Well, there is then no need for massive cloud servers or giant data centers. And this will directly impact smart cameras, industrial automation, surveillance systems, drones, automotive systems, and real-time AI applications where latency matters. And well, now for what this story truly unveils, edge AI is becoming one of the fastest growing segments in the semiconductor industry. That is because companies no longer want every AI request traveling back and forth to the cloud. Companies instead want faster processing, lower power consumption, and better privacy, which is exactly the market Netra Semi is targeting. Another aspect which makes this further interesting is the fact that the startup says commercial production could begin by 2027. Timeline definitely matters because the global AI chip race is accelerating at an insane speed. At one end, we have NVIDIA dominating AI compute. At another, companies like Google are building TPUs. OpenAI is reportedly exploring custom AI hardware. Amazon has Trainium chips. Microsoft is investing heavily into AI infrastructure. China's DeepSeek, how can we forget about that, showed the world that AI efficiency can change the entire economics of AI. So with Indian startups now trying to enter the hardware layer itself, changes the conversation completely, as you can see, because software can scale fast. But semiconductor manufacturing is a different ball game altogether. It needs deep engineering, massive capital, long timelines, and extraordinary precision, which is why very few countries dominate this industry. Netra Semi has already raised 107 crore rupees in Series A funding. The round included Zoho Corporation and Unicorn India Ventures, a backing which is significant because Zoho has repeatedly pushed for deep tech manufacturing in India instead of purely consumer internet businesses. And this move weaves directly into that larger vision of building foundational technology inside India, not just applications on top of foreign infrastructure. That said, but here is something to well ponder about. Why are AI chips suddenly becoming so important globally? The answer to that is AI models are becoming incredibly expensive to run. Training large models requires enormous compute power. Inference costs are going through the roof. Electricity consumption is rising, and efficient chips can decide who wins the next decade of AI, which is why every major tech company is inclined and entering semiconductor design. Now, Netra Semi is not competing directly with NVIDIA's flagship GPUs as of today, which, well, we feel is not the immediate goal. Instead, the company is focusing on specialized AI acceleration for edge devices. And strategically, it is a smart entry point because edge AI is expected to explode across industries. Factories will want intelligent automation. Cities will be running on smart surveillance systems. Vehicles, faster onboard processing. And of course, let us not ignore that defense systems would want low latency decision making. Healthcare devices want local AI processing without cloud dependency. And all of that requires efficient AI chips. This is where India could potentially build a niche, especially as companies worldwide look to diversify supply chains beyond traditional semiconductor hubs. And of course, there's another layer to this story. Yeah, it just keeps getting better. India has been aggressively pushing semiconductor manufacturing through policy incentives and production-linked schemes. The government wants India to become more than just a software outsourcing economy. It wants chip design, chip manufacturing, and AI infrastructure capabilities built locally, which means startups like Netra Semi are entering the market at exactly the right moment. Timing matters, ladies and gentlemen, massively in semiconductors. And right now, the world is searching for new AI hardware ecosystems. Well, here is the front page take. Nobody, should underestimate how difficult this industry really is. Semiconductor businesses can take years before profitability. Execution risk is enormous, scaling manufacturing is brutal, global competition is relentless, and even giants struggle in this market. So let us not forget that. But the point is actually bigger than just one startup. India's AI conversation is slowly moving beyond chatbots and applications into infrastructure, compute, and hardware sovereignty, which is a much larger transition. And why this is something we should be mindful of is because the countries controlling AI chips may ultimately control the economics of AI itself. And for India, this could be the beginning of something far larger than just one product launch. The AI race is no longer just about models. Yeah, it's about who builds the machines running them. And India clearly wants a seat at that table. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.